Alright guys, we are here, Santa Monica Pier. We're going to do some cycling today, maybe even help some rides, maybe even hop on in the water. Let's see. We're going to definitely get some food though, that's for sure. So let's get on with it. These glasses on, bag on the back. Let's go. We got Bubba Gumps over here, Shrimp Company. So we've got some fog rolling in. Hopefully it's not like the movie where we all die. But fog is coming into California. What is happening here, folks? Woman's about to do it. Here she goes. And she's off. Here he goes. Oh, he fluffed it. Look at the nice beaches they've got over here. California. Check out this poor soul. He's got his limo ripped off him by the park division. Gutted. Say goodbye to your limo, buddy. Whoever's limo it was, it's off now. But that guy's gonna be annoyed now. Alright guys, we are here, the Venice Canal. We've got these little paddle boats all the way up. Apparently the people that live here put houses here, put the boats here for people. That's what I'm hearing around the streets here. So, take a look up here. You can take a gentle stroll up the river in the Venice Canal. Not in Venice, but pretend Venice.
Alright guys, we're here at our first stop of the day, Sunny Blue in Santa Monica. We're gonna have these amazing little sushi sandwiches called omusubi. We got curry chicken and tuna. Munch time. So good. Wow.
So here we have a shop that sells prams for kids. It's called the Pump Station.
Alright guys, our next stop is Augie's on Main. They have apparently a very good fried spicy chicken sandwich. So stay tuned. Much time. Look at this, you guys.
Ooh yeah.
Munch time.
Glamorous.
Wow. Here we are.
Hey, papi.
Taco time. We have chicken tenga, we have ahi poke, and we have lobster tacos. Ooh, let's start with the lobster. Gotta put some nipples.
All right, thank you. Nice. Tuck in. Look at this thing, everyone. This is a self-driving car driving around here. There's no driver in here. It's got all sorts of mad gizmos. No one's in it, and it just drives around. This is crazy. So this is what you need in a gas station in LA. You need a tank. Guys, we found it. This is the house we're going to be buying soon. So stay tuned for that one. That one's coming soon. Hey guys, we're here, Mulholland Drive. Check out this view over here of part of LA. I don't know which part, but a part. We're here at Mulholland Drive. Guys, beach day. We're in LA on the beach. Living it up. Living the good life. Here's Dina over here. Dying. Got the palm trees, the mansion in the background. You got the ocean over here. Look at this. I am Scottish, so I'm definitely going to be a lobster after this, but I'm still gonna take it. Why? What's wrong with it?
It is so cold.
It's cold?
Yeah.
How
My
cold?
feet like felt like
Felt like
I
what?
got like a brain freeze.
What did they feel like?
I got like a brain freeze.
Brain freeze!
A brain freeze just by putting my feet in. My brain started freezing. How does that work?
I don't know. Feet to the brain. Alright, we're here at the beach today. Time to get the shoes off. The top of it. And let's go slip. Alright guys, we're heading down here. If any of you know where this place is, it's from one of my favorite movies, comment below.
Alright guys, that was our one-day quick trip to LA. Thank you for joining us. We hope you enjoyed it just as much as we did. Remember, like and subscribe if you want to see more videos.